Hey guys, Sleep back with another video, and this video is about trading stocks on a perpetual slash futures website called KSEX, and I wanted to just give a little bit of insight on how you can actually trade these stocks. A lot of people don't even know where to start like actually trading stocks instead of investing. So I'm going to do a full breakdown in this video today and show you guys exactly how to do this. First of all, we are on this website called KSEX here. I will have the link in the description. So the first thing I want to talk about is using leverage on these different types of stocks. And first off, leverage, basically how leverage works is, let's say for example, we use a 2x leverage. So let's say we have $1,000 as an example in our accounts. Let's say we want to use a 2x leverage on our money, right? So we would have $2,000, but if the stock moves in a 50% downside, if you're going for a long, you would lose your 1,000, right? So you're basically borrowing that percentage to get liquidated. And yeah, that's basically how it works. So let's say for example, like 5x, if the stock goes down 20%, or if it goes up 20%, whichever you're betting against, you will get liquidated, you will lose your 1,000, but you will be investing with 5,000, right? If that makes sense. And so. So basically, invest with 10x. If it goes in a 10% direction, you'll lose your 1,000, but you'll be investing with 10,000. This is where this is super good, because we can actually use this to our advantage to trade these different types of stocks instead of actually investing, right? So if we know some news is happening in one of these stocks that are on this website here, you can see there's so many different stocks that you can trade. All right, real quick to interrupt, but if you're watching this video thinking, wow, I should have taken that trade, that's exactly why I built Opportunity Engine. Every day the system scans thousands of futures and crypto markets looking for flash crash opportunities, support breaks, dead cat bounces, high probability short opportunities, Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, major crypto callouts, tokenized stock opportunities. Inside the Discord, you'll get real-time alerts, daily market briefs, trade ideas, and chart breakdowns, and a lot of alpha that all these other servers and people that are providing callouts do not give. So I'm giving a 7-day free trial to anyone who joins the server, and an extra day for any friends that they invite. So feel free to come and watch the alerts in real time and decide for yourself. All right, let's get back to the video. And personally, I use this tool where it basically shows me any events that are coming up for stocks, and I will have the link in the description for that. It is the alerts link. You guys will see it's the first link in the description. And yeah, basically on this site, there's so many different things you can do to actually find a good trade, right? First off, you can see the 24-hour change here, the stocks that are up the most and the stocks that are down the most, right? This can give us kind of a basis of what is happening in the market. You can see Hyundai is down 8%. I think that's how you say it. I think this is one of the biggest, it has to do something with like the Korean stock market or something like that. But as you guys can see, we have Koru, Hyundai, BSP, and this kind of gives me a basis, like understanding that potentially the market could be going down, but we're getting a little bit off track here. You can see the stocks that are up the most today, and then you can go through all of these different tabs as well. You can see we have pre-IPOs, we have semiconductor stocks, which has been a big talk lately on like Twitter and for investors. We have compute stocks that are compute. Thank you to SolPump for sponsoring today's video. SolPump is a top on-chain Solana gaming platform that I like using, especially when markets are slow and there's not much action. All you have to do to get started is connect any Solana wallet, like Phantom, and you jump straight into their games directly from the wallet. You can try their 50-50 coin flip, on-chain blackjack, and crash-style games. They also offer daily rewards like a free Solana case and hourly airdrop style bonuses. Plus, they have their own token, SolPump, that you earn as you play. If you want to play where I play and stay active even when the markets are quiet, head over to SolPump and use my code SLEEP. Now, let's get back to the video. As you guys can see here, compute stocks, Nebius up 10% today. You can see the compute stocks and these semiconductor stocks went up decently, nice today. And yeah, this is how I get my bias on the market and what I actually want to trade. You can see optical stocks, tech stocks are up, space stocks, finance and payments, crypto, healthcare, consumer, clean energy, KR stocks. You can invest into ETFs, which is super cool as well. or trade ETFs. Basically, like if you wanted to trade all the semiconductors in one, you could trade SOXL, HK stocks, industrials. So this is like the CAT stock. And yeah, it looks like it was an overall green day today. And yeah, looking for trades could, just be going on Twitter and looking at a couple of these different tickers, which is the name right here, and just like understanding, why it's going up, currently what's going on in the market, the news. So I'm going to show you guys a tool that I use right now to get all this information. All right, guys, so this is what I use to get all of my information. As you guys can see here, we have main callouts, which is basically just like future callouts, perpetual callouts and all that. So if you want to trade perpetuals, which is like crypto on the KSX website, you can. I've made a lot of videos on that in the past. But what we're going to be looking at here is the stock callout section, which gives stock callouts, I believe, every hour, or just like a call out whenever. As you can see here, we had the last call out, NBIS stock, which was what we were actually just looking at. So let's see how this played out. It said, let's see here, oversold, confirmed long scalp, right? So let's actually look at the call out price. The call out price was around 206. So let's look at the price now. So you can see the price now is 217. So yes, this call out actually did come out green. So I mean, that's very cool. And then also what we're going to be looking at here is the critical news and the RSI tracker, right? And then you can also look at the trade results here. But stock callouts is a very nice section where we can get all this information just kind of handed to you. My favorite is the stock callouts on the RSI, because we all know RSI is a sort of a lagging indicator, but for stocks lag a little bit more than, normal like cryptos or anything like that. And, because you have normal people investing into stocks, right? So as you can see here, this one, beautiful, 255, I would probably hit this, stop loss under the support. I love to hit these oversold plays, scalp it for a little bit of profit. Let's look at what else we have. This is the circle short. We have a watch list setup here. It gives you a full plan and understanding of like why you're trading this and everything. It gives you a news article to go with it as well, and a conviction score for how good it thinks the trade is. And yeah, so this is a tool that I personally use and created for you guys. So I think that this tool is super good in my opinion. You can make a lot of profit if you're taking calls from this, and in the future it's going to be learning from its mistakes, so the callouts are going to be getting better and better. So yeah, I would definitely check this out, and then let's get back to the website real quickly and what we were talking about. So yeah guys, trading stocks with leverage on this site is a very good way to trade futures. And yeah, you can go on a whole bunch of different websites like Hyperliquid and everything like that. But honestly, KSX is super nice because they have all of these listings. Like they have let's go back to the crypto listings. We have like meme listings. Let's see, we have like Solana listings and all that. Infrastructure, layer 1, layer 2, got ton memes, fan tokens, celebrity memes. Like this is overall a great website, guys. This is what I personally use. It looks like Nebius is going up a little bit, so let's just take a look at what's happening here. As you guys can see, we are a little bit oversold from like highs in stocks. We're down around 40% on Nebius. I think Nebius is probably a great long after we went under the lows. So yeah, that was just today's video, guys. I wanted to provide just a little bit of information on how to actually trade, stocks on this website. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Definitely join the Discord. We have so many tools in here for you guys that want to trade stocks, that want to see the news, and basically just get all that hard stuff handed to you instead of actually having to look for everything yourself. Like I love to say, you only have 2 eyes to look at the market. And what are 2 eyes going to do for you when you have to go through all of these, different coins, crypto, RWA, all these different coins you can see? What if the best callouts and the best setups were just handed to you, right? That's basically what this server is. It finds the best callouts and just hands them to you. So yeah, hope you guys join the server, and I will see you guys in there. Appreciate you guys for watching, and peace.